Okay, so first place you want to log in and get into Lead Street. Next you want to go to Listings and then Manage. And what that'll do is it'll pull up all of your listings that are available for you to use. The next step, we'll just pick this listing here and click View. And when you click View, it's going to take you over to the Details section of this particular listing, which should have all of the photos and information, price, all that good stuff already available. But I want to create a Design Center project, and in this case I'm going to build a flyer first because that'll actually help us create a Craigslist ad in your account a little bit easier, and I'm going to show you how and why. So click on the drop down with the MLS number and go down to Design Center. And of course I'm doing all of this just as an example. So what this does is it allows Lead Street to talk to Design Center, and the reason this is allowed is it pulls the photos and all of the content information through the system automatically for you, so you don't have to upload pictures. So this will make sense in just a few minutes when we get to the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and click, we'll select this flyer here. So I'm going to click Select and click Continue. And what it's going to do is it's automatically going to redirect me over to your Design Center account. I'm going to close this window out, and I'm going to name this folder or this project. And I'm just going to do dash flyer, and I'm going to create a project folder for this particular listing. And the reason why we're going to create a folder is because in that folder we can have flyers, we can have single property websites, we can have Craigslist ads all in one folder, so it's easier for you to locate it. So I'm going to click Save and Continue. I'm going to click Confirm, and now it's pulling over all the images. And again, we're doing this to get to the Craigslist piece. Just trying to show you a little bit of a shortcut so it makes your life a little bit easier. And I'm just going to go ahead and go with these photos. So these 4 photos that pulled in are going to pull in automatically into these sections on the flyer. So I'm going to click Save and Continue. And I'm just going to leave all of this blank for now, okay? And that gets us to the end of the product. We're going to click Save and Continue. So there's a flyer for you. But that's not what we were after. We were after Craigslist ads. So I'm going to go over to the Designs tab. And then I'm going to search for the Craigslist ad. So right here, so we clicked on Designs, and then we're going to click on Craigslist ad. There's only 4 to choose from. So I'm going to select this particular ad here. And you can always click on View Sample inside of anything that you do with Design Center, and it'll show you a little bit of a bigger preview. So I'm going to click on Select this design. And now we're going to start working on this one. So I'm going to name this the street address, but I'm going to do dash Craigslist ad. And I'm going to click Save and Continue. Notice it's going into the project folder we created, and it's associated with that MLS number from the MLS, your local MLS. So I'm going to click Save and Continue. Click Confirm. It's going to pull those images over, which is pretty cool. Now, if you wanted to, you could change these pictures out. All you have to do is, let's just say we don't like photo number 2. We'll just delete that. We'll go over here to Add Photos. And then it's going to be an option to upload from my computer or project photos. And right here on the project photos, it's really where we want to focus, because this is where, if you had several different folders with other listings, you'd be able to pull those folders in, or those photos in from those folders. So let's take, we'll just go with a different picture. We will go with this picture here. Click Add Selected. Hit Save and Continue. And now it's building the Craigslist ad for you. And now you have different options. You can download it as an image, you can download it as a PDF, you can publish to web. So now you can create your Craigslist ad. You click Publish to Web, it's going to give you the options. I always go 75%. It just depends on how you want it to be. We'll go 100% just so you can see it. And we're going to click Publish as Web Page. And so that'll give them a hyperlink they can click on and look at. Or you can just do Download Image and then fill out the Craigslist ad with the details that Craigslist offers. So that's how you would build a Craigslist ad in the system. If you download the image, it'll show up down here in your download section, and then you can just save this JPEG and upload it to the system. And that's how you'll use or create a Craigslist ad.